This 2026 Leisure Travel Unity Vans 24RL is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front kitchen, mid-bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.